Are you searching for the perfect treadmill workout for weight loss, but finding that no matter how much you sweat, the results just don't come? You're not alone. The diets that don't work, the workouts that leave you exhausted, the constant feeling of failure when you look in the mirror. Millions struggle with stubborn weight every single day, battling their bodies and feeling like success is always just out of reach. But what if everything you've been told about weight loss is wrong? For decades, we've been told it's all about calories in, calories out. Deprive yourself, punish yourself, and the weight should come off, right? But what happens when it doesn't? What happens when you're doing everything right, and the scale still won't budge? This isn't a reflection of your willpower or dedication. The truth is, the real reason you're struggling with stubborn fat isn't about a lack of effort or even genetics. It's something far more fundamental, a hidden factor that has been silently sabotaging your progress. Now, a team of brilliant scientists at Harvard University has made a groundbreaking discovery that's turning the weight loss industry on its head. In October 2025, they uncovered a hidden cause of slow metabolism, a factor that's been silently sabotaging your efforts no matter how hard you try. This isn't about another fad diet or grueling exercise program. This is about understanding the root cause of why your body holds on to fat, even when you're doing everything right. Imagine a world where you can finally unlock your body's natural fat-burning potential without sacrificing your favorite foods or spending endless hours at the gym. This discovery offers a new path, a genuine solution. Early results from this revolutionary discovery have been astonishing. Thousands of people are already experiencing rapid, sustainable weight loss simply by addressing this hidden metabolic factor. They are melting away stubborn fat in record time, feeling more energetic, and finally taking control of their bodies and their health. This discovery is giving people hope where they thought there was none. It's empowering them to break free from the endless diet cycle and live their lives to the fullest, with renewed confidence and vitality. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, more energetic, and truly comfortable in your own skin. The implications of this discovery are enormous. It's changing the way we understand metabolism, weight loss, and overall health, offering a scientific foundation for lasting change. But what is this hidden cause of slow metabolism? And how can you harness this breakthrough to transform your own body and achieve your weight loss goals? We understand you might be skeptical. You've probably heard it all before, and countless promises have fallen short. But this is different. This is based on rigorous scientific research, conducted at one of the world's most respected institutions, offering a credible and effective path forward. The full discovery is waiting for you. Don't let another day pass feeling frustrated and defeated. Click the link in the description below to uncover the truth about your metabolism and finally unlock your body's fat-burning potential. Take this crucial step towards a healthier, happier you. Your journey to lasting weight loss and renewed confidence starts right here, right now.